This video shows how to create your own line style where you're in control of the type and weight. So I'm going to start by putting in a line for the air vapor barrier on this wall detail. So I'm in the Annotate tab, go to Detail Line, and you can see our current selection of available line types is here. I'm going to start with a hidden line. And we'll just draw that in. You can see that the line weight is too light for what we would do, and normally we would put a primary weight on the air vapor barrier so it shows up. So what we're going to do is create a new line that is a hidden line with a heavier weight to it. So to get there, I'm going to go into Manage, the Manage tab, and then Additional Settings. There's plenty of things to investigate here, but the one we're looking at today is Line Styles. So we click on Line Styles, and it shows us, if we expand under the line types, these are all of the available lines that we have right now. Okay, so we're going to take one of these or add a new one, and so I click New, enter the name here. Now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to label it air vapor barrier. It's a unique line type that we only use a broken line with this kind of weight when it's an air vapor barrier. Now if this was for more general use, then I would just give it a descriptive name. But in this case, I think that's the best way to go. So I'm going to say AVB, some description in there, air vapor barrier dashed. Say OK. So there it shows up. Our line weight is controlled here, and we want a medium line weight. We'll set it to 3. The 1 through 5 are very similar to our typical line weights, 1 being the lightest, 5 being the heaviest. So I'm going to put it to a 3. We'll see how that reads. Leave it as black, and we have a choice here now. Since there's no line type scale adjustment in Revit, you can see that their hidden line up here is, they've got 1/8 inch hidden, and I guess that's what it is, 1/8 inch hidden. If I want our hidden line to be a little different, I'm going to go down, scroll down to the H, to the hidden lines. Oops. And I'm going to go a little bit bigger. I think I'll go to 3/16. Just a little bigger than 1/8 of an inch. Just so it's, again, like we would do visually, make that air vapor barrier stand out. Okay, so let's check that. We can always come back and edit this if it's not what we want. So I'm going to say OK to that. Now nothing on our screen changes, because this, if I click on it, is, as you can see, the hidden line style. But now we should be able to find, as we go underneath this, our new line style available, AVB dashed. So I'm going to click on that and escape, and there you see we've got a longer dash. It's in a darker line weight. I think that reads really well. If I back out of there, I like the look of that. And so now we've got that for use from now on. It's available to us.